Okay, so we've covered the first bit of conversions, looking at the metric and the imperial system. Now we're going to look at sort of how we do some conversions and convert either between the two or different measurements that we come across. And we call these conversion factors. And so they are fractions that have equal measurements on the top and the bottom. And basically you're taking the two things from that table that we have here and creating a fraction out of them in order to convert from one to the next. So we look at an example here, 1 meter equaling 100 centimeters. So we look at where's centimeters, there's centimeters. And so to convert from centimeters to 1 meter, we have to multiply by 100. And so what we get here essentially is 0.01 can be written as a fraction as 1 over 100. And so that's how we get the 1 meter, and we get 100 centimeters. And you can flip it either way depending on which direction you're going. If you're going from meters to centimeters, or converting from centimeters up to meters. And so the trick to this is when you want to convert, put that on top. So if we want to end up with centimeters, we put that on top. If we want to end up with meters, we have that on top. So we'll do a couple examples here just to get you an idea and hopefully work through the other ones on your own. So convert 2 meters into kilometers. Okay, so we'll keep our sheet here just so we can kind of look at it. And converting 2 meters. So we have 2 meters. So we want to convert that into kilometers. So we look at kilometers. Here we have 1,000. And we could write that as a fraction as well. We could write that as 1,000 over 1. Now, the thing here is that this is kilometers and this is a meters. So 1,000 meters equals a kilometer. And we kind of remember that from the first part. So, in order to make this work, we actually have to switch this around in order to do that. So we'll just erase this. And we'll put 1 kilometer here and 1,000 meters on the bottom. And we basically multiply and are able to cross out the units. We're ending up with kilometers. We have 2 times 1 is 2, and we have 1,000 on the bottom. So we can write that then officially as 0.002 kilometers. Now, let's look at something small. We've got 2.6 kilograms. We want to convert to grams. So we started off at our base, and kilograms are involved, so we have 1,000. So we're going to write our fraction. So we've got 2.64 kilograms. We want to end off with grams. So it's 1,000 grams equals 1 kilogram. We do our measurements. Again, we can cross out units that are on top and bottom. We're left with the grams. We have 2.64 times 1,000, 2,640 grams.